That's it then, end of no mow May. I've left the grass to grow throughout the entire month and it got quite long. Nowhere near as long as last year. Last year it was ridiculously long. We went away at the end of May, so by the time we came back it was like halfway through June, so we had May and some of June, so the grass was like, it's ridiculous. But this time, not so bad. I had to use a strimmer and a rake to be able to get it up last year, but this year I was able to use the mower, just going through at the really high setting and then dropping it down to be able to sort it, but all done now. I kind of felt a bit guilty as I was going through with the mower, because as I was going through the grass you could see hundreds and hundreds of insects coming out of the grass, and there's me destroying their habitat. But actually they did come back into the shorter grass afterwards, the majority of them, but some of them still, yeah, flew away. So you do kind of think perhaps it's best to leave the longer grass for as long as possible and help them thrive and survive. I'm quite pleased with how the grass has come on from where the caravan used to stand. I mean, the caravan killed off the grass and it was just a patch of brown dirt as it started out. And I did try and record the grass growing over time for you. And I had this vision in my mind where I was going to have the camera on a slider, just going along, and you could see the grass grow day by day. So I went out religiously and put the camera in place and recorded it. And what I didn't realise is that a couple of things. I didn't fix the white balance and I didn't fix the camera position. So with the camera moving and with the light adjustment in each of the shots, it's made it exceptionally difficult to try and bring them back into alignment after. But it kind of worked, kind of didn't work. But you know, you can see what it looks like at the moment. One thing that was interesting though was that I managed to capture some wildlife that was moving into shot that I didn't actually see at the time. It was only afterwards, when watching the footage back, that I could actually see that there's some other life going on in and around the garden. It's amazing to see. But quite pleased with how it's turned out, and the grass now is all back to normal, back to the right length. The patches are starting to thicken up, and part of the advantage of leaving the grass to grow so long is that the seed pods were actually starting to form and drop into the grass. So hopefully that will also provide some new growth from new seed growth and thicken up the overall grass bed. But yeah, back, done, tidy garden again, and it's looking good. It's coming on. Still a lot to do, but you know, it's looking better than it was. that is pretty much it for now. And yeah, end of the No Mow May. So thank you very much for watching. My name's Rich, and this is It's Adventure.